we are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this American multinational conglomerate holding company headquartered in Nebraska, United States. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced company names and brand names too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? There are different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, this is usually said as Berkshire Hathaway, Berkshire Hathaway. In American English, however, it is often pronounced as Berkshire Hathaway, Berkshire Hathaway. Pretty straightforward once you know Berkshire Hathaway in American English or Berkshire Hathaway in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting brand names and company names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.